Hello guys, so for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Windows license will expire soon in Windows 10. When you turn on your computer, this will be the usual screen that you will see and it will ask you to enter your product key. As you can see, my Windows product is not yet activated. So in here it says activation, Windows is not activated. So we have to come up with a solution for this one. Let me teach you how. First, we have to right click the taskbar below. Next, let's choose the task manager. Please click task manager. After clicking the task manager, so the task manager window will pop out. Then we will select file, click file, then next is click run new task, and then a new window will show. Then you're going to type in the word CMD. Please do not forget to check the checkbox below and then click OK. After clicking OK, so this window will show. We call this the command window. In the command window, we're going to type in this code. Once you are done typing this code, just simply press enter key. And as you can see, there will be a code below. And what you're going to do with that code is to simply copy that code because we're going to use it to change our product key. The next step is by going to the activation setting by simply clicking the Windows logo and type in the word activation for the activation setting to show. Click activation setting, then you will be directed to this screen. All you have to do is click change product key. A new window will show that will ask you to enter a product key, and in this video, in the text box, you're going to type in or paste here the copied code from the command window and then simply click next. Once you are done pasting the code, then there you have it. As you can see, Windows is activated with a digital license linked to your Microsoft account, and that's it. Congratulations, it is now activated. Thank you so much guys for watching. So if this video solved your problem, please do not forget to subscribe. This is once again your teacher Jomar saying keep safe, God bless, and bye-bye.